Namaskar. In view of the rising number of COVID cases in Rourkela and the nearby areas, you are requested to adhere to the COVID-appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, enterprising endeavour of Repair Shop Mechanical Collective of Rourkela Steel Plant brings about substantial savings. And intensive sanitization continues in SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant premises. Now the news in detail. The highly enthusiastic team of Repair Shop Mechanical, known for its dexterity and commitment to excellence, has been rendering valuable contributions to SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant by carrying out several critical repair and maintenance jobs. The employees of the department have recently successfully accomplished many complex jobs, thereby bringing substantial savings for the company. The efforts have also helped the user departments enhance their performance and effectiveness. One such initiative is the reconditioning of the turntable roll of new plate mill. It may be noted that turntable roll assembly of new plate mill is critical equipment which facilitates rolling by turning the slabs. There are 10 sets of turntable roll assemblies at entry, exit, side of mill. The damaged turntable rolls are generally replaced with new ones in every 6 months during shutdown period. For undisrupted production of new plate mill, replacement of turntable rolls are required from time to time. Replacement cycle time affects mill availability. After a round of brainstorming, the Repair Shop Mechanical Collective took up the challenge of reconditioning of turntable rolls of new plate mill by salvaging and modifying old rejected turntable roll of hot strip mill. However, with the immaculate planning and execution, the turntable rolls was undercut, build-up and machining in-house at structural and fabrication shop. The Repair Shop Mechanical Department thereafter took the challenge of the machining job. The departmental collective chalked out the methodology for holding the entire job at machine bed and its machining process. The process involved a lot of innovative approaches in view of the bulk size of the job and the machine limitations. With committed team effort and high degree of technical expertise, the machine could be brought back to operation within 6 months. Such a reconditioning and repair job using in-house resources without any outside help has led to financial savings of approximately rupees 89 lakh for the company. With the steep rise in COVID cases over the past few weeks, the entire Rourkela Steel Plant fraternity of SAIL has become alert and trying their level best to contain the pandemic. The heads of the department of different production units have been taking every precautionary measures to ensure safe working environment for the workers for smooth, continuous production. On 7th May, a massive sanitization drive was carried out in the offices and shop floor areas of mechanical shop, pipe plant and new plate mill. In the shop floors, various mechanical, electric and thermal equipments were disinfected along with the pulpits and restrooms and storage areas. Care is also taken to see that daily mopping with the disinfectants is being carried out in the offices. Frequently touched areas and articles like tabletops, chairs, chair handles, pen stands, computers, keyboards, mouse pads, printers, sanitizers, dispensers, intercom equipments, etc. are also being cleaned with disinfectants on a daily basis. In addition to this, the employees were also taking every possible precautions like regular hand washing, social distancing and use of masks strictly in accordance with the workplace advisory. Once again, a gentle reminder to our viewers to kindly wear masks, frequently wash your hands, maintaining social distance and avoid crowded places as far as possible. Stay safe, stay healthy. That's all for today's news. Namaskar.